What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're on a lighter note today because we have, what do I have in front of me? I have the file from the Porsche 911, the 99 911. It is sold, it is gone, and boy, do I have a story to tell you that I'm kicking myself in the behind over this car. Oh my God, let me tell you. Okay, so to start off with, we're gonna make this very simple. Profit or loss? We made a profit. We did, we made a profit. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Okay, so I'm not gonna run through all these numbers. I'm not gonna make this a very long video. I'm actually gonna be very short, sweet, concise on this one. We purchased the car from Copart for $7,800. That was out the door, $7,800. By the time we were done with parts and the hardtop included, and we did get a partial refund on the hardtop, we got $650 back from the hardtop. By the time we were done with everything, alternator, coolant, hoses, just thermostat, and FCP Euro did some sponsored content on there as well. I appreciate FCP Euro for their help. We ended up with a total investment into that car of $10,726.37. We sold the car for $11,300 to a nice, lovely couple from Tennessee. I almost said their names. I probably shouldn't. But I appreciate you guys. They came from Tennessee out here to Weird Beard's lot, and they picked it up. And we'll get into that story in a minute because they drove it back to Tennessee. I'll tell you how that turned out in just a minute. So, did we make a profit? Yes. We made $573.63 profit. Hey, a profit is a profit. Don't knock it. Now, as of about 4 days ago, the video content on the Porsche made $8,027.17. That's video content alone. Just videos made $8,027.17, and that's before this video, and those videos are continuing to produce revenue. In fact, the one of me cleaning the engine with laundry detergent, yeah. The shout video, that video is producing approximately $200 a week still, and it's been up for over a month now. So, yeah, we made $570 some in profit on the sale of the Porsche, and the video content as of like 4 or 5 days ago was at $8,027 and climbing. So that is what I'm talking about when I say I'm not overly concerned with making a profit on the cars because I make the profit from the videos. I make more money from videos than I make from cars, and that is thanks to all of you. Now, story time, and then we'll get out of here. So this lovely gentleman and his wife showed up here from Tennessee. They literally drove here to Weird Beard's lot from Tennessee. That's a heck of a drive. They purchased the car. We talked. God, we talked forever. I didn't get any of this on video. Sometimes I feel a little awkward asking if I can record customers. You know, I don't think they really want to be on camera, so I just don't. But, you know, we talked for probably 2 or 3 hours, and then they drove off in the car. And I've driven that car plenty. I knew the car was fine. There was no issue with the car. But when they got a hold of me a little bit later on, I think it was about 2 days later, the gentleman that purchased it said, "We made it back to Tennessee with no problems. The car made it home with no issue." Now, I'm not surprised about that. That's not what shocked me. What shocked me was what he told me next. He said that he was able to get the serial number off of the engine in the Porsche, and he was able to run that serial number. That engine came back as a brand new, not a reman, a brand new motor from Porsche, with less than 5,000 miles on it since install. Do you know how much a brand new engine for a 911 costs with installation? I sold that car for $11,300. It had a brand new Porsche engine in it. Brand new. At this point, I almost wish I'd kept it. I almost wish I had kept it. So we know what happened now. We know the story of the car. We heard from the previous owner that, you know, somehow the engine blew up. Well, we know that that's how the oil got into the coolant, obviously. We also know from his research that Porsche installed a brand new engine into it. So they just didn't clean out the cooling system. That's all it was. It was leftover oil from them not properly flushing and cleaning out the cooling system. That was it. That car has a brand new engine. This guy and his wife got themselves a 99 Porsche 911 Carrera Aero package with hardtop and a brand new Porsche engine with under 5,000 miles for $11,300. That is like the deal of the century. That car will run forever. That car will absolutely run forever. I'm glad that they bought it. I'm glad that it worked out for them, and I'm glad that it turned out to be such a good deal for them. But at the same time, this is one of those cars you're never going to find this again. You will never find a 911 with a brand new Porsche direct installed engine for $11,300. Not ever. Won't happen. Go look. You can't do it. So I'm kind of kicking myself because I should have held on to that car. I should have held on to that car, but money, money, contrary to what a lot of people think, this YouTube channel is paying out very well. It is, but a lot of people don't understand that just because you make a lot of money from YouTube doesn't mean you have a lot of money sitting on tap. I had $14,500 in credit cards from last month alone, from building that, not building the house, but from putting the house together. I paid all of that off. So yes, I got a nice $23,000 check. 20 grand from my auto auction rebuilds channel, 3 grand from my reviews and how-to channel. And most of that was gone the day I got paid because I paid off all the daggum credit that I racked up. So I needed to, that's why we sold the Porsche. We just needed the money because we still have to finish the house and build a shop. So I hope you enjoyed the content. It was pretty short, sweet, and to the point. And man, they got a good deal. I hope they're watching this video. You guys got a great deal. It was really nice meeting the both of you and talking and sharing some of your stories. Really interesting conversation. Great people. It was nice to meet you. Thank you for coming all the way out here from Tennessee to buy that Porsche. That was really cool. I know Mike, aka Weird Beard, and I really did enjoy the conversation. We enjoyed meeting. It was a great transaction. Everything went smoothly. And, it's nice when people do what they say they're going to do. They say, we're going to come buy this, and they show up and they buy it. And at the same token, it's nice when, a dealership says, this is what you're getting, and you come all the way from another state, and you get exactly what you were told you were going to get. And that is the beauty of YouTube. Is it not? If one of you wanted to buy a car, you know exactly where that car came from. You know exactly what got done to the car, and you were able to watch it. How many people get to watch that? You get to watch the car you're about to buy getting purchased from auction, fixed up, and ready for you to purchase. That's rare, and it's really cool. It really is. I'm going to get out of here, folks. If you enjoyed the content, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds, Facebook, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Subscribe to the channel, and please share this video. I truly would appreciate it. Mike, aka Weird Beard on YouTube, man, I really do appreciate you. I've had a lot of fun working with you this past year, and I think we've done some exciting things together. And also, just a quick shout out, I'm proud of you, man. You've come a long way, and you're going places. Don't doubt yourself for a minute. You've got everything you need to succeed, man. You've got a great following on YouTube. You got a great family. You've got the talent, the skill, the tools. You got everything you need, man. You are going to do great in 2020, and I can't wait to see how you progress over this next year. To all of you watching, thank you so much for making all this possible. Mike and I truly do appreciate you. The gentleman and lady that bought the Porsche, thank you so much. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.